Welcome to the Simrad NSS 4, sleeker, faster, and smarter. When we say NSS 4 is fast, we mean it. This video will provide a hands-on, real-time look at NSS 4, walking you through its speed, features, charting capabilities, and more. This is just a snapshot of what's possible with the NSS 4 as we prepare to set new expectations for boating. With a new glass-to-edge design, NSS 4 offers a modern premium look that transforms your helm. Upon startup, the streamlined interface feels instantly familiar. Powered by a new and improved operating system, NSS 4 is optimized for ease of use. When you first activate your NSS 4, you'll see a notification prompting you to complete the Setup Wizard. This step is essential, helping you input your boat details accurately for superior performance. The NSS 4 will then be able to auto-route, calculating the fastest, safest routes tailored to your boat. By understanding your boat's dimensions, the device factors in optimal pathways, avoiding areas that might be too shallow or narrow. Here's how it works. First, on the home screen, select Settings. Second, navigate to Boat Settings. Third, enter your boat dimensions, including length, beam, and draft. Fourth, you'll want to complete all the information within the setup settings. One of the standout features of the NSS 4 is its hybrid controls. The trio of control options, touch, rotary dial, and keypad, gives you full control in all conditions. A selection of thoughtfully designed buttons, dial, and slots ensures quick and easy access to your favorite features. For example, number 1. The top button is for accessing the main menu or activity bar. Number 2. The button below opens the app menu for quick access to device settings. Number 3. Rotary dial. Useful for a variety of functions. Menu navigation, used to zoom in and out, push to select, and more. Number 4. The X button exits the current action or returns to the previous screen. Number 5. A dedicated waypoint button immediately marks a waypoint. Number 6. The power button powers the device on and off. Number 7. NSS 4 introduces new custom keys. These can be programmed for easy access to frequently used features. With the NSS 4's processing power, these custom keys make switching between apps fast and seamless. You can assign 2 separate actions to each button, which can be triggered by either a short press or a long press. Number 8. Dual SD card slot. Convenient front-facing slots for easy access to chart cards and memory cards. To configure a custom key, first, press and hold the button you want to configure until the Configuration Options menu opens. Second, scroll to select a custom key of your choice. Third, set either a short press or a long hold action. Then, choose the action or app from the list to assign it to the button. For instance, you might assign one key to toggle CMap Reveal X Shaded Relief for a detailed 3D-like view of the seabed, or to switch quickly between radar and chart apps. With just one press, you'll see the NSS 4's responsiveness in action. NSS 4's 8-core processor is built for speed. You'll experience instant response, ultra-smooth page transitions, faster auto-routing, and, ultimately, faster boating. CMap's X-Gen chart delivers the cutting edge of navigation. Built specifically for NSS 4, Discover X features exceptional detail, colors, and performance. As you pan, zoom in, and out with no lag or loading delays. An upgrade to Reveal X unlocks true superpowers for anglers and divers, including shaded relief, 3D-like views of underwater structures, satellite overlay, real-world images overlaid on your charts for realistic visuals, showing docks, islands, and more in stunning detail. Here's how to access and toggle these features. First, tap the settings in the top right corner. Second, select chart options. Third, choose either shaded relief or satellite overlay to view bottom structures or high-resolution satellite imagery. Auto-routing. NSS 4 delivers our fastest ever auto-routing. First, simply tap your destination on the chart. Second, select Auto-Route from the context menu. Third, The device will immediately calculate a route based on your boat's size and draft, displaying the safest path. Switching apps. Switching apps is nearly instantaneous thanks to the NSS4's powerful processor. You can pin your favorite apps to the side activity bar for quick access. For example, Halo radar transitions from standby to operational in seconds. This seamless switching lets you toggle between charts, sonar, and radar effortlessly, giving you instant access to each view. Anglers will appreciate NSS4's built-in 1 kilowatt CHIRP echo sounder, which provides incredible target clarity and separation right out of the box. To adjust sonar settings for even better fishing, first, open the Sonar or Echo app from the home screen. Second, tap Settings in the top right corner. Third, you have a variety of options to choose from. You can adjust the color palette, frequency, game, and much more. Never forget a great fishing spot with Waypoint Fish Tagging. Easily mark and organize fishing hotspots with the ability to label waypoints with specific fish species. For anglers who save waypoints at productive fishing spots, fish tagging makes organizing those waypoints easier. To create a waypoint tag, first, tap anywhere on the chart to create a new waypoint. Second, enter a name for your waypoint. Third, select Tags and choose from the list of special icons to categorize your spot, or create your own custom fish tagging options. So when to make planning future trips even easier. NSS4 allows extensive customization to suit your boating preferences. It includes pre-configured options, or you can create your own dashboards. To create your own layout, first, tap Settings, Create Own Dashboard. Second, drag and drop instruments from the menu, resizing and positioning each one as desired. Once complete, this dashboard will be easily accessible with just one tap. Custom split screens. With its powerful processor, NSS4 supports multiple split screens for a complete view of different apps and multitasking at once. Here's how to create a split screen. First, tap the plus icon on the home screen to open a blank split screen layout. Second, drag and drop apps like radar, sonar, and chart into different sections of the screen. You'll notice that each app loads instantly thanks to NSS4's 8-core processor. NSS4 supports seamless integration with the full Simrad suite and a range of third-party tech, including IP cameras, CZone digital switching, RGBW lighting, audio, and more. NSS4 is optimized for next-level on-the-water performance, combining speed, precision, and customization to meet the needs of serious boaters. Whether you're charting, fishing, or simply cruising, NSS4 provides the seamless, intuitive experience that defines Simrad marine electronics as we seek to set new expectations for what's possible on the water. Simrad, never settle.